A Pilates reformer represents a fairly substantial investment, which not everyone into fitness would be willing to make. If you feel like you're ready to take the next step for your well-being, getting this kind of machine could be a smart decision. What's up, guys? Today, you'll take a look at the best Pilates reformer you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Aeropilates Pro XP 556 Pilates Reformer. This reformer provides lots of ways to make your Pilates workouts more productive, thanks to patented technologies. This model offers user-friendly operation, allowing for complete body workout, while maintaining the impact on the joints to a minimum. A great benefit is an incredible versatility, which enables users to incorporate hundreds of different exercises in their fitness routine when it comes to any Pilates workout. Resistance plays an important role. Being able to customize it can be a great advantage. This unit comes with elastic cords that can be modified to provide the right level of resistance to match your particular fitness levels. Construction-wise, this Pilates reformer offers commercial-grade quality with its robust steel frame and elegant oak wood finish. While this reformer requires some initial assembling, it will definitely pay off in the end. This is a premium Pilates reformer considering how nicely it brings together all the essential features of this fitness tool. Number 4. Aero Pilates Reformer 287. Having one of the best Pilates reformer machines doesn't have to empty out your wallet. While we'll admit that there aren't too many budget-friendly products that are worth purchasing, the Aero Pilates Reformer 287 stands out from the rest of the pack. First off, we love the elevated design and stand, which make performing exercise and getting off on the machine very easy. Comfort is a bit better than average with this model. Coming with a padded foot bar, high-density shoulder pads, 3-position adjustable headrest, as well as foam hand and foot straps, the black steel frame with the padded gray platform looks sleek and modern and is made to hold up against regular use. Featuring adjustable resistance, you'll get 3 tough elastic bungee cords to let you sculpt your body while increasing strength and flexibility. Not only is this machine easy on the wallet, but it's also great if you're tight on space in your home. It easily folds away when not in use, and features wheels for simple portability. Number 3. Aero Pilates Reformer Plus 379. The Aero Pilates Reformer Plus 379 is one of the best choices to go for if you want a beginner Pilates reformer. That's because its simple design is easy to understand and use for various Pilates exercises. You get 4 cords with varying resistance, delivering 11 intensity options to match your workout needs. If you are uncertain about where to begin, this reformer machine comes with 2 workout DVDs that you can follow to achieve your desired fitness results. Its convenience for home gyms is also guaranteed thanks to its foldable frame for easy storage. This can fit in the closet or simply in the corner of any room when you're done using it. Simply fold it up and put it away. Number 2. Aero Pilates Premier Reformer. With a huge amount of features for the cost, the Staminate Aero Pilates 700 Premier represents our top pick for a high-quality Pilates reformer. This model is designed to take your Pilates workout to new heights without impacting your budget too much. Some of the highlights of the reformer are the cardio rebounder, comfortable support, and the smooth carriage rollers and gliders. The cardio rebounder is designed with flexibility in mind and ensures you reap all the nice benefits of running without having to endure some painful effects. A nice feature of this reformer is the wide foot bar, which brings your feet to a more comfortable position. There's a great focus on comfort when it comes to this unit, considering the large stand and easy to adjust neck below. Adjustments can be made to the ropes for a customized fit. Number 1. Stott Pilates merrithew USPX. The Stott Pilates merrithew USPX is a reformer designed to bring professional Pilates performance in the comfort of your own home. While its price tag is quite substantial, this represents a valuable long-term investment. If you're serious about Pilates and wish to experience the same level of quality compared to the one found in paid Pilates sessions, this machine is the obvious choice. What's great about this reformer is how it can accommodate users regardless of their fitness level. It's safe to say that advanced users can benefit more from this unit's potential to incorporate more than 200 exercises in their Pilates routine. That doesn't mean that novices won't have a lot to gain as well. There are lots of great durability and comfort features like the powerful reformer springs or the padded platform extender. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.